Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech again. Last week I made a video telling you why Binance actually removed Wise payment from their platform. In the absence of this, there will be a lot of challenges to all freelancers out there. And one of the ways you could actually convert your money to your local currency is through crypto. Although there is news going around that the CBN has lifted the ban on crypto in Nigeria. So, but if you still don't want to go to that route and you want to play safe, there is one method I just discovered and which most Nigerians have been using for quite a number of time now. But most of them don't even know you can actually use this on you can actually change your wise on this platform. When I discovered that you could actually use wise to receive payment and send out payment, I told a lot of people get on wise, sign up, verify, but they didn't listen. Now the verification is so tedious to get on wise, it's so crazy, especially if you are from this part of the world. The verification on wise is so crazy. So this is another opportunity for you, irrespective of either you are using my affiliate link or not. Please, even if you are not going to use this platform for now, just make sure you register on it and verify it. You could also trade your crypto, you could trade your futures, derivative, everything on this platform. So you will not get stuck with Binance, because every day and every day Binance keep removing some peers. So for these are for the people that trade, they keep removing. So you can also use this. Just take a look at this. Go to your search browser and type in bybit. Okay, good. This is amazing. And they have a lot of bonuses. Or when you sign up, when you do this, they give you that. So normally, if you want to trade P2P here, you come to market. Come to market. Let me see. Trade. When you want to trade your wise fund here, you come to buy crypto, which is p2p here. It's under buy crypto here. On Binance, it is under trade. So I'm going to log in into my account. Let me just give you the overview of signing up. You click on sign up. Either you used my link, which will be in the description below. It asks for your email, password. Then it will also bring an access for your referral number. Do you understand? Get my welcome gift. So these are the gifts you get when you first come in. Deposit 100, they give you some bonuses. So, but since I'm already a user, you go through a lot of verifications, which I don't find it. I find it necessary. Sure, you understand. So this verification are tedious, just like facial verification, BVN verification, etc., just to keep the platform safe and to be able to track people that are using scammers. And please note, whoever you are trading with on this platform, please make sure you don't go outside this platform. You'll be at your own risk. Make sure everything happens in the chat. Don't try to take anybody out. There is no fee charge for any transaction you do here. It's zero fee, especially when it is to P2P. Logging in, so it's going to verify if it's me. You can see that. Okay, good. We are in now. So token splash, African collect African token splash. I'm not really interested in all these. What I'm interested in actually is trading. You can see copy trade, demo trade. These are for the people that trade futures, but I'm not interested. My own specialty is okay. My money is in Wise. I would like to change it. Click on buy crypto, P2P. Okay, let me see if I can actually show you orders that I've used this before. All on Binance it will just be completed. So you can see I have actually used this before. It's not a matter of okay, oh, it's just telling us I bought USD and I sold it in Naira. So, but now let's go back to P2P. Good. Now that we are in P2P, okay, if you are buying this, the rate, if you are selling, so what I need is I have dollar and I want to sell, I want to buy in dollar, so I'm changing this to USD. Then you can see this, you have to be careful. Do you understand now? It's just a warning. You come to buy. Now let me just enter, okay, 200. Then okay, you can see all the payments allowed: Wise, Bank of Georgia, Zelle, Revolt, Perfect Money, AB, and so many others. So Wise to Wise is always instant. So I will go with Wise, confirm. You can see they all have Wise. So before you buy, you can click on this buy. Make sure their reviews are intact. For example, make sure you see it's 100%. Then just click on buy USDT. You see their terms and conditions. Please make sure you read first. I accept from third party. You read all that, you read all that. We are all good. So I would have, okay, let's assume I'm buying 200. So this is what I'll be receiving. So but we are not buying now. So we finished buying. Okay, I want to sell. Then I have to change this back to Naira. NG, I have my USDT I want to sell. So payment method, you have to try as much as possible to link like 3 different banks, because it will not just bring your bank. So for example, I have GT Bank, so I'm going to select GT Bank. Then it's going to give me sellers that use GT to GT, so that it's going to be fast. This is the only seller that accept GT to GT. So okay, I'm selling now. So okay, giving me a lot of seller that use GT. Okay, let me just click on this for illustration's sake. Okay, I want to sell maybe 2000 this thing. Okay, this is what I'm going to get in Naira, and you have to confirm the payment before you release coin, which is very, very wonderful and safe. So that's the beauty of it. You have to confirm you have received Naira before you release coin. So if you want to join bybit, you can actually go through my referral link. Is going to give me and you a certain bonus, and if you don't wish, you can go to the website and just sign up. But do me a favor, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you very much. Share this video with your friends that are freelancers and are having trouble converting their wise. Bye bye.